Good morning, children. So today we'll start chapter 3, and the name of the chapter is Word Processor and Introductions. So first let me tell you what is word processor. Word processor is an application software, okay? Is an interface which is basically used to type with type. Say you need to write the stories, letters, poems, essays, okay? Or anything you want to write something in computer. For writing we use word processor. Okay, children. So word processors are basically used for writing, typing. Now the question arises: if it is only used for typing, then there would have been notepad only, wordpad only. Then why word processor? So children, word processor is totally related to text processing, isn't it? So children, word processor is totally related to text processing. But if only text processing, then we had notepad, wordpad, and many more etc was there. Okay, then why uh, this word processor we need to learn? It is if it is only used for typing, text processing only, then what is the purpose of learning this one? Because everyone know how to type. We have learned, isn't it? A to Z, the numbers, everyone knows. Now this word processor will not have the feature of only typing, but it has some more additional features. Okay, the additional features I will just write like or divide in two part. Okay, one I can say is formatting. Formatting, okay, and another I can say is editing. So word processor has a two unique features, that is formatting and editing. So let me tell you what is formatting and what is editing. Formatting means making changes, decorations. Say we people we love something which attract our eyes, isn't it? Like the roadside when you walk, when you see a hoarding, big posters in attractive words, colorful design, our eyes will automatically go there. It attracts us, our attentions goes there automatically, even if you don't want to read that, isn't it? Still once a glance you'll be giving to that posters or that advertisement or that hoardings, isn't it, children? So why? Because that attracts, that has a beautiful color, beautiful text design. So these features are provided by word processor also. Word processor, what they do is they not only are used for typing, but also they are used for decorating the text, decorating the pages, applying certain colors, isn't it? It attracts the user interactions, user view are automatically attracted towards that designs, that type text. So that is known as formatting. We can decorate, we can apply so many features, and we can make the text look very attractive. Okay, so this is known as formatting. So formatting is applicable, it's allowed, okay, in word processor. But formatting we can't use in notepad and wordpad. They are only used for typing or writing. So notepad and wordpad are also word processor, but only used for typing or uh, writings. Okay, but formatting not applicable. Formatting can't be applied in this text which will be written in notepad or wordpad. In the same way, editing. Now, what is editing? Editing means modification, making the changes. We human beings always make mistakes. It's the same way when we type, we make mistakes. So mistakes rectification, correctifications, okay, how to correct that? So these options are available. Like suppose you wrote an entire paragraph with a small letter, and at last you come to know that sentence should begin with capital letter. So what you will do, you will search each and every sentence and you will make changes. Time consuming. then what is the use of computer? If computer makes our work more tougher, then no use. So in word processor we have the option, we can select all and we can apply sentence case over there. So in that case what happens, automatically the first letter of each sentence will turn to capitalize. Okay, so again in the same way, if you find that some words you have written spelling is wrong, okay, you need to rectify that, correct it easily. Find and replace option is there. So making the changes in the saved document, in already typed document, is quite easy. Okay, but that things whatever I said now, that cannot be applied on notepad and wordpad. So notepad and wordpad is only for typing. If you need to type only, okay, just writing part, okay, without any decoration, without any like effective changes you need to do in futures, okay, so you can use this one. But if you need to apply formatting and editing, you need to know word processor. So word processor, best example where we'll be having these features is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is the best example of word processor. We have so many word processor softwares, okay, like WordStar and OpenOffice.org, many are there. But the most familiar with which we can easily interact, okay, which are user friendly, we don't need to be too much expert to use this word processor, that is multiple features. And in that word processor we have so many versions. Among that, the best which is user friendly, that is Microsoft Word. Why Microsoft Word we prefer? Because everything is visible on the screen only. Like the buttons, like new, automatically we understand new means to create a new documents. Save, automatically we understand that we need to save. Close, close, print. Okay, see the words, these are very much familiar to us. New, open, save, print, okay, close. So that's why we call Microsoft Word as a user friendly word processor. And even it has multiple features. All whatever I say like formatting and editing, that all features are available in Microsoft Words. Okay children, so Microsoft Word is a most user friendly word processor available. Okay, now see here I'll be showing you how the interface look like. Okay, how the Microsoft Word opens and how it look like. So children, see. So children, see Microsoft Word we need to open by clicking on the start button. As already in the previous chapter I told you that the start button contain the list of all the installed program. So first of all we need to click on the start button. This is the start button, okay. Then all program, and in all program we have to check for Microsoft Office. See, it is available here. And inside Microsoft Office we have so many applications installed, but we'll need to click on Microsoft Office Word 2007, maybe 2010, 13, 15, okay, these are the versions. So I'll open this Microsoft Office Word 2007. I'll just click on that. So now see, this is the interface of Microsoft Word, and by default the name of the Word is document 1. We can even change by saving. At the top we have say these are the home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view. These are known as tab, okay, they are the tab, like we call as home tab, insert tab, page layout tab. And at the top one button is there, this is known as office button. So this office button contain like new, open, save, save as, print, okay, these options are available here. Now each tab contain a group. You can see the name of group like clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, style, editing, okay. So as I told you that Microsoft Word is not only used for typing but also used for formatting and editing. Now formatting means making the changes. You can use this font, Okay, this is for style. You have lots of different type of handwriting styles. See, different type of writing styles are there. You can select any one from here, and these are the sizes. You can make increase, decrease the size. Okay, so see, for example, I want to write something. Say I'll write computer. So to do any operation on a text, first of all we need to select it, and for selection you have to click left mouse button and drag. So after that, after dragging, means after selections, you can go to the style and you can have any of the styles from here. Okay, see this one, and you can even change the size of this. We have 672. So this style I have applied, this format I have applied to a text. We can select, we can bring it to the center. We can even have the color of this one. See, different colors are available. We can select one color. We can make it underline, italic, bold, little bit thickness. Okay, so these are the various formatting styles. Now for deleting and all, we have backspace and delete key. Okay, so editing part is also very simple in this one. Not only text processing, but also we can even change the background also. Like see here, page color is there. We can have one beautiful color also. See, I think let us make this one purple. So we can even have a beautiful color also. Okay, so we can select that. Even you can apply a page border also. We can apply a page border. Let us apply some we'll apply apple. Okay, apple, because apple a day keeps a doctor away, isn't it? So apple is very important and very like tasty fruit also. So I'll apply this one as a border. See here, see, so see, in this word processor what I did is, it is not only used for typing but also it is used for decorating the page. See, the normal simple page became so attractive with full of apple as a border and text in a very stylish way with beautiful color. Okay, editing is very simple here. We can use delete key, backspace key, and even some more features are there. Okay, we can apply that. So because of this all features, this word processor is a unique text processing. Okay, so understood childrens, what exactly text processing application, that is word processor, do, and among that word processor the best and simple and user friendly word processor is Microsoft Word. Why I told simple, user friendly? Because see the text written here all are in a very simple way. If I click here, see, I'll get font. Okay, if I click here, I'll get font size. See, font means text, size means to increase or decrease. If I bring the cursor over here, I get, see, align text left, here align text center. See, everything is written. We don't have to remember or something. Just you need to open and bring the mouse cursor to particular object, the name will appear, and accordingly you need to click there. So is this clear, childrens? Editing also, some part we have like find and replace. Like suppose computer I need to replace. So what I will do is I will click this one, I'll go to the find, I'll write here say computer, find next. See, automatic selection is there. Now replace, I need to replace computer with say laptop. Okay, so I'll just click on the replace, then single text will be replaced. If I'll click on replace all, then entire page wherever computer is written, everything will be replaced. I'll just click on replace all, then I'll close. See, we don't have to delete and retype. Okay, simply we can just we can use the features of editing and we can make the changes over there. So suppose you made a change but by mistake you did a wrong change. No need to worry for this. we have the feature known as undo. We can use undo features. Okay children, so see here how undo. This shortcut key we can use control, that is CTRL plus Z. Okay, so together if I click, see the back text means which was removed or replaced or deleted, that text will appear again. So this is the benefit of Microsoft Word. That's why we call it as unique, simple and user friendly text processing application. Clear children?